Hello and welcome to another Dr. Spotfire quick tip video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom collection of shapes for your Spotfire maps. My name is Jose Leveguera and let's get started. In this map, I have multiple wells with different shapes representing whether they are producing or being drilled. But what if I want to change the shape for something more meaningful? I'm going to start with my producing wells and I'm going to change it to a pumping jack. And for my drilling ones, I am going to use the oil rig. But how did I get that custom collection in my analysis? So one way to do it is click on the shape and click add. And then I can find the collections in the library. I will see a bunch of them that are available, and this might be something that be useful in the future. So I click the weather icons, and the weather icons are going to be popped here. I have a notification that they were successfully imported, and I can look them in this other section. Okay, now I'm going to create my own collection of shapes. I click add and I'm going to create a new shape collection. I put the name, I'm going to call it HSE. And now I'm going to click on the shape settings, click add, new shapes, and I'm going to go to my HSE icons. I can use JPEG, PNG, PDF, or SVG. Doesn't matter the file type, I already have these available, so I'm going to select all of them and click open, and that's how you can add your icons. It doesn't matter the size, it doesn't matter the specifications, you can just add them and it will be generated automatically. Now, something to consider is that whenever you have them here, make sure you use the outlines or the combine options available. When you do outlines with this type of line icons, it's recommended when you want the icon to change with the color axis. To select them, I click here, I click one of the icons and I can see the preview of each one of them. If I want to select multiple, I control click and start selecting. If I want to select them all, I click one of them, I go to the last one and press and hold the shift key, and now I have all of them selected, and I can apply one of those settings to all of them. And I'm going to save it as a personal collection, or I can save it in the library for other people to consume. Now, how can I create icons? The easiest way to create icons is with any AI tool. In this case, I'm using Gemini, and I told it to create SVGs files for different icons for the oil and gas industry, and I can download them one-on-one and add it to my collection. Another way is to look for free icons like Fun Awesome. I found something related, let's see this one, and I can download the SVG directly. There's another way where I can find icon sets like I did with my weather icons, but I can find some other icon set I can download, and it's going to download all different the file types, PNGs and everything, SVGs, you name it. Finally, there's another way to create a custom icon. One quick way is using Google Docs. I just go ahead and insert a drawing. And when I do a drawing, I can add a shape. I'm going to maybe create a tank. And then make sure you go all the way to the outline so it's going to be visible and take all the space. And then I can download as PNG, JPEG, or SVG. Another way is to use an editor like this one. In boxysvg.com, I can create shapes. I can change the attributes of my shapes. I can change the color, the vertex points. I can rotate them, and I have much more flexibility with this. And I can change the colors of the outlines or the color of the strokes and the fill, different colors. And then you can download them, but you will need an account. If you want to skip the account creation, you can go to Elements, right-click on the SVG and copy the outer SVG. You can then paste it into a text editor, or you can use another tool like this one and paste the code here, and then you can download directly from here and make small modifications directly in the code. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you like and subscribe, and see you in the next Dr. Spotfire quick tip video. I hope you found this video useful.